Well, why join LiveGood? Why join my team in LiveGood? Okay, a couple questions that you might have on your mind as you sit here and watch this. I don't know, how about 8 to 10 minute video? Does that sound okay? Is that enough time to maybe do a full review? Because I'm pretty happy with LiveGood. All right, my 2-year anniversary will be right around April of 2025. So right now it's January, so let's see, Jan, February. So got about 3-4 months, and I can give myself a two candle birthday cake. Okay, I've learned a lot about LiveGood and how to market properly to get people interested in at least watching the video and checking out what LiveGood is about. But I'm real good at getting people to say, hey, you know what? I got $10 a month. I'm going to be a member so I can buy all the products wholesale. And also, I got $40. I got 220s. Okay, I think I can afford the affiliate fee because it's only one and done. There is no reoccurring $40 bill that you're going to get a year from today. Okay, you're not going to get $40. Guys, to be an affiliate one time, you get a badass website, which I'm going to send you or show you, and then also I'm going to show you a capture page, and I'm just going to reveal exactly how I've signed up almost 400 people. Okay, and I've done most of it in 1 year because the first month or two I was just kind of screwing around. I wasn't really even taking this LiveGood affiliate thing serious because I don't have a background of being a network marketer, an affiliate marketer, some guru. Okay, there's a lot of people that really kick ass in this type of business. All right, and they struggle within 2 or 3 months. They don't even sign up anybody, and they go to another business and another business and another one. Okay, they jump around and they try to get you to join everything that they do. Like, hey, this boat is sinking, so come with me. And in reality, the boat ain't sinking. They just didn't even put gas in it, fire up the old engine, and go hauling ass like I do in Lake Havasu, all right? I've owned 4 race boats. You go with me, we're going somewhere. We're going to usually go about 80. We're going to haul some ass. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching my videos. If you have found me on Facebook, awesome. Bookmark, okay, my Facebook page and get a hold of me. Just do the old inbox. All right, or Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can always email me, guys. And if you found me on YouTube, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I hope you get some value out of any of my videos because I know I mess off a lot too. So what have I done to kind of make my LiveGood a success story to many people? All right, I'm number 27 in the company as far as signups on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million people. All right, I feel happy with that. Okay, I have no doubt in the next couple of years I'm going to have 500, 600, 700. Okay, and that's just personal people that I've personally enrolled. And they go get a few people and so on and so on. Because the trick with any business like this is to help people that sign up, you, help people sign up underneath you, and help people sign up underneath you to sign up underneath them. Okay, it ain't too confusing, guys. All right, now, what I always do is I get a business card because on a street level, guys, you're not going to catch me talking business. I just pass the buck to videos. These videos are already made, and I hope that you copy exactly what I do because, boy, I can duplicate like no other. All right, so let me help you. Let me just show you. My domain name is joincory.com. My real name is just Cory. I put the word join in front, and guess what? It was available. So GoDaddy charged me about $10, $11. And then what I told GoDaddy to do for free is when people click this domain, it just goes to the LiveGood capture page, which you can see. Just go to joincory.com, and I'm going to show you on my screen too. Okay, so business cards are about $25 plus a couple bucks shipping with Vistaprint. Okay, now when you hit joincory.com, all right, you want to see it? Let's do it. Join. All right, joincory.com. What's a capture page? Well, you get this. All right, if you got $49.95, all right, $50, you're going to get a full-blown website and this page. This is where people click this button and they watch the YouTube video produced by LiveGood, and they put their name and email address right in here. And if you click reserve my position, guess what? You don't have to join yet, but you will get one nice email from LiveGood for 30 days, and you can opt out whenever you want. But it's nice just to get information, okay? Because you might not want to join LiveGood now. Maybe you want to join in a month. All right, so collect the emails because you can use them, all right, to send other people if you do join as an affiliate, okay? So, and if you want to join LiveGood after watching this video or contacting me, do your research, guys. I've made about 3,500 videos just regarding LiveGood, so I'm a big fan. Okay, but if you want to join, put your name and email address in. When you click this orange button, just go get your LiveGood email, open it up, and you'll click a link, and that's where you'll go get your username, password, pay your $50, and we'll get you set up, okay? So this is your capture page, and right here where it says welcome to Cory's website, you can put whatever you want right here. Personalize it, okay? So let's go back to just a LiveGood basic website. This thing is ironclad, guys. It is simple. Everybody can go here, like Walmart.com, Amazon.com. Anyone can shop at LiveGood. But if they want to get wholesale pricing, you got to pay $10 a month. Then you get rock bottom pricing. Then if you want to be an affiliate, you have to sign up with someone who's an affiliate. All right? And I'm your boy. All right? If you're watching my video and you want to sign up, I'm going to show you exactly what I do every day to really kick some butt and get 400 people just to sign up on my #1 personal downline, okay? Pretty exciting. First, you want to go invite people to the products page. I want everyone to look at the products, okay? Take your time. Click the white rectangle buttons. They'll tell you the ingredients, wholesale, retail, how to use the products, competition. It's awesome, okay? So scroll through. Here's packages. All right. There's little shaker bottles, okay, if you want to shake your booty and drink some protein powder. If you want a couple shirts and hats, it's wintertime, why not get a hoodie, little beanie and a hoodie. Okay, all right, so go through the products. Now I'm just going to show you real quickly, and you guys can do this on your own accord. Let's just say you want to check out our coffee. Okay, go to the learn more button. It'll pop up its own web page. These little thumbnail pictures, just click any one of them and you can see exactly what the container looks like. Then there's little videos made too. But check it out for real. Look at the description. Look at all the seals. We got tons of seals. And I don't mean the ones that swim at SeaWorld. All right, the seals of approval. Check this out, guys. How to use our products. And here's a competition. All right, you can see we're $18, guys, wholesale. And our competitor, Force, Sigmatic, and Rise, I mean, they're a heck of a lot more. We're a company based on the membership side. We commission the membership side. We do not commission products. That's why everyone loves LiveGood, because if you want to earn money as an affiliate, you don't have to buy any product to qualify to be a certain rank so you get a bonus. You know, normally you got to spend $100 on products to get a commission of $100. So you're like, great, I break even at best. Guys, only buy our products if you want. And if you want to resell them, then be a member for $10 a month. Put them on your shelf at your gym, or maybe open up your own Amazon store. You know, even Walmart buys this product, all these LiveGood products. And you can go to walmart.com, go in the search section, just type in the word LiveGood, one word, LiveGood, and you can see that Walmart even sells our products, but they have to sell at a wholesale to retail price because they got to make money. They can't sell you at wholesale like I can or you can. They got to make money. They got a massive overhead. So if you like our products, remember, you got 3 months, 90 days to enjoy this coffee. Even if you pour all the coffee into another container, send this empty container back within 3 months to Jupiter, Florida, the distribution center, and guess what? You get your money back. What a guarantee. No questions, even if the container's empty, guys. Okay? Now, after you visit all the products, I want you to go to the FAQ. Where's it at? Whoop, let me scroll down, guys. Okay, here's the FAQ section. Okay, I think you guys can see all these little sentences here. Just click any one of them. They're questions. When you click the line, the answers pop up on your page. Okay, read all of them because 80 to 90% of all your questions are right here. FAQ. Okay, so 2 things so far. Go to the products page, go to the FAQ, and then if you want to study a YouTube video, that's what I recommend on how we get paid on the membership side. Go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your web page. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Now, this is what it looks like. And you can read each page if you want because there's 7 ways we get paid. But this is the easy thing. I like to scroll down to the very bottom and just click this button right here. You know what a YouTube video is. Go ahead and just watch it. Watch it 2 or 3 times. You know, memorize the comp plan. And if people want to discuss the comp plan, you can. But I think it's way easier to go, guys, I don't really discuss LiveGood unless you want to join. So why don't you go to the products page, go to the FAQ, and why don't you guys go to the the compensation pay plan link, the affiliate pay plan link. Just watch the video 2-3 times, guys, and you'll be blown away. Okay? I love LiveGood. I'm kind of jealous of the 4 people that founded it, because I'm not a guy that really buys supplements and then I become an affiliate and I have to buy product, and I'm just not that guy. But when I found out about LiveGood, I was just buying super reds and super greens. And then I had a buddy of mine recommend I should probably be an affiliate, at least make some money and get free products. Make $100 a month, go ahead and spend that $100 on products. I thought, well, that's a good idea. I had no idea I'd sign up 100 people, then 200, then 300, and now almost 400. I'm just a few shy away of 400 people. And if I can help those folks get a couple and so on, it's nice to become, gold, silver, platinum, diamond, because then your commissions really kick in. And you will see by going to that affiliate pay plan link and just watch the video. It's by far the best. If you read about the comp plan, it's boring. Watch the video. It's well done, okay? This in a nutshell is how I became successful in LiveGood. All right? That's not complicated. The website, it's there ready to go. The capture page, everybody just watches that video and they either say yes or no, or maybe they just bookmark the video page and they can join LiveGood in like a month or 2. But when people find out that we're wholesale and they have 3 months to use the products and get their money back, no questions asked, even if they empty the packages and container, send it back to Jupiter, Florida. But we're worldwide. Do you realize we're in a couple hundred countries already? In 2 years, a couple hundred countries. We got 1.7 million people, and we have 60,000 people from around the world signing up. That's insane. Opportunities like this are very rare. Please don't mess around and wait another year and so on. Just sign up. You got $10 a month. Great. Do the $40 one-time activation fee to be an affiliate, and then get a hold of me. I'm going to send you a nice email of everything I do, guys. And it's up to you if you want to do some extra things to really put some stang on that thing. All right? Spank its bottom. So please just go to joincory.com. I'll see if I can make myself disappear, and maybe you can see my little business card pop up on the screen. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's how I recruit. I invite people to watch a movie or call it a video. It's 6 minutes long. That's it. I pass the buck. Click, watch, make a decision. Okay, I hope you come aboard. Thank you. Let me remind you one more time, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And go ahead and inbox me if you find me on Facebook. And then, of course, on YouTube, guys, I'm right here. All right, that's probably where you're watching this video. Okay, peace and love, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching my review.